If you are a fan of shooting nature, watching birds and wild animals, or simply capturing breathtaking moments without disturbing the environment, and you also do not want to spend money on expensive and heavy cameras, then I have a great product for you.
It's a refracting monocular telescope. That means you have to refract the monocular. So it does not work with a normal knob like you see it often with other models. Here you have to refract the scope and then start rotating it clockwise until you find focus.
An observatory that fits in the palm of your hand, a newly developed monocular with an adapter that can match a $4,000 DSLR camera. This magnificent monocular has revolutionized observing. It lets you see everything crystal clear from up to 6 miles away and shoot stunning 4K photos and video on your phone, all for a fraction of the price. But how do you achieve such high quality at such a small size and cost? To answer that question, let's dive a little deeper into the history of its creation because it's no less interesting than the characteristics of this miracle monocular. In 2005, scientists from an advanced European universities got an order from the European Space Agency and NASA to research and develop advanced optics for spacecraft. The most important requirements were resistance to mechanical stress and damage, compactness, and power to increase the image to 10 times larger than that of a telescope of the same diameter. The scientists spent more than 5 years on the development, but they could not meet all the requirements. In the end, the European Space Agency and NASA decided that the project has no future and closed it by sending all the research to the archive of the university. It would seem that this would be the end of the story of this revolutionary invention. But in 2018, a new life awaited it. A young astronomy student from Los Angeles who was researching archival research for his paper in optics stumbled across this forgotten project and realized he could complete it. In one of his interviews, the young scientist described how he and his team were able to bring the project to completion. It was a finished telescope, the methods and approaches the scientists used were revolutionary, the world had not seen such technology, I would even say that the world was not ready for such a thing. I will explain why. Imagine that you get transported to the Middle Ages, and you have blueprints of a modern airplane. On paper and in calculations, everything works perfectly, but you do not have the materials and technology to make this plane come to life. And this is what the scientists faced, there were simply no materials worldwide to create this miracle telescope. Their development was decades ahead of the material technology available at the time. Now that we have access to better technology, we have the confidence to finish this. After 4 years of development and countless beta tests, the Python monocular was born. The combination of newly developed nano lens technology and the latest composite materials has created this pocket telescope that has a zoom 10 times closer than a telescope of the same diameter. The team was stunned to find that they matched the level of quality that the space agencies had set for scientists. The creators of Python Monocular want as many people as possible to know about this new technology. So they did the impossible to keep the price low and make it affordable for everyone. Python Monocular's regular price is $200. But today you can claim an exclusive 70% discount and get yours for just $69. If you're interested in Python Monocular or want to surprise someone with a unique gift, click the button in the video to get 70% off your purchase. This is once in a lifetime deal and it may be taken down at any moment, so it's best to act now. My advice is to grab yours today or risk paying the full price tomorrow. Click the link in this video to visit the official website and claim your 70% discount.